This video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to control your emotions in 2023, okay? We live in a world that's very fast paced. We're bombarded with so much information, so many distractions, making it difficult for us to maintain a cool, calm, collected mindset. Everyone's getting themselves into more trouble than they need to be because they can't control their mouths and they can't control their emotions. However, by adopting an ancient philosophy that I would like to introduce to you guys called Stoicism, we can learn how to navigate through life's challenges with resilience and mental toughness. So let's dive into how to be stoic in 2023. All right, first things first, we need to understand the importance of what Stoicism is and what it isn't. Stoicism is not about suppressing emotions or being indifferent to the world around us. Like I said in previous videos, Stoicism is about acknowledging our emotions, accepting what we cannot change, and focusing on what we can control. This is where a lot of people mess up. Not accepting the fact that they can't change what they don't have control of. We all know these people, or you may be the exact same person. One of the key teachings of Stoicism is the dichotomy of control. This concept teaches us that there are things that are within our control, such as our thoughts, our actions, or even our decisions. And then there are things that are outside of our control, such as the weather or people's actions. Anyway, by focusing our attention on what we can't control, we can avoid unnecessary stress, drama, anxiety, the whole nine. Another important principle of Stoicism is the idea of negative visualization. Trust me, it's not a difficult term, so don't get stressed out if you don't really know what it means automatically. This basically means imagining the worst situation, the worst case scenario that could happen in our lives, and then mentally preparing ourselves for that situation to happen. It may seem counterintuitive, it may seem very stressful to do, but it can actually help us appreciate what we have in our lives and reduce the fear of the unknown. Stoicism also emphasizes the importance of self-discipline and perseverance. By practicing self-discipline, we can develop habits that lead to personal growth and success. By persevering through difficult times, we can build the mental toughness and the resilience to tackle our problems in 2023. But how can we apply these stoic principles in our daily lives in 2023 and for the rest of our lives? I'll tell you guys right now. First things first is to practice mindfulness and self-awareness, to recognize that when we're focusing on things outside of our control, by acknowledging these thoughts and redirecting our attention to what we can control, we can reduce the stress that we inflict on ourselves and increase productivity. Leads us closer to attaining our goals. Second thing that we can do is practicing what I said before, the negative visualization, by reflecting on what we're grateful for in our lives and imagining the worst case scenarios that could happen. For example, what would you do if your mom died today? What would you do if your best friend died today? What would you do if your boss died today? Never mind. But yeah, think about it. What would you do if somebody significant in your life died today? Would you be prepared for it? What would you do? How would you feel? Think about it. This can help us appreciate what we have in our lives and prepare ourselves for any challenge that may arise. The third thing, and I know a lot of people are going to hate me for saying this, but it must be said. It must be said. We have to develop habits of self-discipline. Okay, guys? We have to develop habits of self-discipline, such as, waking up early, attacking the day early, exercising regularly, having a clean diet, practicing meditation, even practicing nofap. If it gives you some type of fulfillment, accomplishment in life, then do it. If it's going to lead you towards you completing your goals, do it. These habits can help us improve our mental and physical health, leading to a more productive, honestly, a more fulfilling lifestyle. The last, but certainly not least, you have to start setting goals and start working towards them. Even when faced with obstacles or setbacks, okay? By being persistent through difficult times, we can build, like I keep saying in the video, mental toughness and resilience, okay? That can allow us to overcome any challenge, any obstacle in our way. I was watching actually this afternoon a Alex Hormozy podcast with this guy named Lewis Howes. I don't really know how to say his name properly. I hope I'm not butchering it, but I literally learned about that guy 2 days ago. I don't want to bore you with all the details, so I'll leave a link in the video right here. Hopefully that works. Or if not, I'll leave a link in the description. It talks about the importance of perseverance and just persevering through many different trials that you're going to have to adventure through in your life. So go check it out. But yeah, Stoicism, it's a powerful philosophy. I mean, it can help us navigate through life's challenges with resilience and mental toughness. I'm gonna ingrain that in your head. You guys are gonna know what that is after this video. But yeah, by practicing mindfulness, negative visualization, self-discipline, perseverance, the key topics I was talking about this whole video, we can cultivate a stoic mindset that will serve us in 2023 and for the rest of our lives, and to the youth, to infinity and beyond, all that. But yeah, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Leave a comment down below if you have a method of stoicism that you practice and follow daily, or your experience with stoicism, or how you're going to get into stoicism. I'm very curious. I want to know, and I bet the people who follow this channel too really want to know as well. So don't be shy. Oh yeah, thanks for 2K subscribers. The emotion's real. I didn't think I was ever gonna get this far in this short amount of time. So it hasn't really sunk in yet, but I really appreciate the subscribers, the shares, everything, the comments, everything. So let's keep grinding and let's keep tackling our problems with everything we got with a prodigy mindset. So you guys already know what I'm going to say. Develop a prodigy mindset and tackle your problems with everything you got. I believe in you.